Hi everybody. I just wanted to announce to you that in about 2 or 3 weeks, because I've got a project that I'm just going to be putting out now, and it is the Dinosaur Kingdom one. I'm so excited about it. I got it all done for my grandson. Yay! Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start a series, and it's going to go through 2 to 3 mini albums. It all depends on how many people I get that are really kind of following this and are interested in seeing all of it. There will be a short series of videos about the tools you're going to need and the materials list that you're going to need, so that you can, in 2 or 3 weeks, hopefully pull together the things you're going to need. This is going to be teaching you the basics. So if you've never done a mini album before, or if you're doing some mini albums, you're still fresh at it, and it's not quite coming together like you want it to, I am going to teach you my way anyway, of how to do it. There's no right or wrong way. It's just, and my way changes all the time, because I'll see somebody else doing something. I'm like, oh, poof, like head blow. So anyway, I just wanted to explain to you exactly what's going to happen. There's going to be, like I said, 2 to 3 whole mini album series. The first one is going to be very basic. It's not going to be boring, but it's going to be very basic on, focused on using your tools properly, getting straight cuts, getting your paper put together, your binder, your blah. Really? Yeah. So now you really want to listen to me, because I can't find my words. Okay, so we're going to work with chipboard. We're going to work with your cardstocks. I'm going to explain the difference in cardstocks. I'm going to, just kind of get mini album 101, okay? And then from there, and those are going to be kind of a short little series of things to get you prepped for this. That will go along with the materials list. And then we will go into the first mini album. Now, the first mini album is already planned. And of course I put the paper back in my thing. I've actually made myself, holy Hannah, I just lost some stuff out of the bottom of this. I made myself a kit. So I'm not going to, which is what I'm going to ask you to do. Because I find if you have limited things to work with, it makes your mind go, but then your decision process doesn't take as long. If you put this kit all together prior to starting, it's not to say you can't say, oh my gosh, I've got the perfect thing, but I didn't put it in my kit. You could go get it, because we want to work with the perfect things. But I found, especially when I was getting started, that kind of minimizing the choices that I had allowed me to do quicker work. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to put together a kit. I'm going to explain everything in the kit. I'm going to work out of my kit. But if I think of something perfect, then I will do that. Then the second mini album is going to build on your knowledge and what you have learned from the first one. So the second one is going to have more interaction. And it's not to say the first one's not going to have interaction. Oh, I was going to show you the paper I'm using. I am using a calendar collection from Graphic 45. Any calendar collection will work. This one is Place in Time collection from Graphic 45. Trying to get it here. I don't know where to go. Oh, it's over here. I can't tell if I have it on. But anyway, it's a place and time collection. It's the older collection. They do have a newer one out, which will totally work. Any calendar, actually any paper that you have. You're going to need a 12 by 12 paper pack, or you can have an 8 by 8 and a 6 by 6 paper pack. We are going to, the first one is going to be probably an 8.5 by an 8.5 outside cover. And I don't know what the spine is yet. But I will explain to you how I came about with those sizes and that kind of thing. So all of the videos are going to feed off of each other so that you can learn at least one way of how to do this stuff. And I will help. I'm not using any fancy tools the first one, okay? And I, again, with the little mini pieces that we have, we will go over the tools and go over what you need. I just wanted to introduce the series to you and kind of put it out there. So I hope you guys will join me. If you aren't a subscriber and you want to do this, I would suggest hitting the subscribe button and the little bell so that anytime I put out a video on this, because I'm going to kind of, while I'm putting out my Dinosaur Kingdom one, I'm going to sprinkle in some of the let's get prepared for this, because it's going to be about 2 weeks worth of videos, because I try and post Tuesday, Fridays, and Sundays. So it's going to be about 2 weeks to get through the Dinosaur Kingdom castle thing. But so that will give you time to get ready. And the first one will be what I've got in my kit, so that you can say, oh, I've got that. Well, maybe I need to go to Joann's or Michael's, or, look in my stash. That's what we really want you to do, is look in your stash. If you don't have a calendar one, as long as you have some cut-aparts, and when I say cut-aparts, this is a page of cut-aparts, okay? Because that is what we're going to use to decorate with. We're going to have the paper do the work for us. So if you get an ephemera pack with whatever paper pack you have, that will totally work. If you get a sticker sheet with the paper pack, that will work. But if you have some cut-aparts, they don't have to be, they could just be 3 by 4 cards, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 4 by 6, as long as you've got some stuff that you can actually use as ephemera, as pieces that we're going to add to the papers that we use. So you can use any paper pack. I would say you need to have at least 24 double-sided sheets. But again, I'll go through all that. But I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up. Like I said, I'm going to be going through tools. I'm going to be going through techniques. I'm going to be going through the entire process. There's going to be 6 sets of 2 pages. So this first one, because I've got it as a calendar, it's going to be a year in a glance mini album, okay? But the series, I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but probably I'm just going to do the little mini things. I'm going to do maybe scrapbook, mini albums 101. I think that might work. And so just look for those. And I tell you, I am looking forward to this. I am psyched. I just cleaned. Oh, my camera moved. Wow. I just cleaned up my craft room, and from finishing off the last one, I did a big, as promised, let's use up the scraps afterwards. And so, so those all will fill in the 2 weeks if you just want to have some fun looking, looking at my hands and talking to me. So if you guys have any questions, have any comments, anything, leave it on this video. I'm probably going to do a couple giveaways too throughout this whole thing. And yeah, they're not going to be tough, but you know, you might have to listen when I'm talking on my videos, because I might, you know, put out a little something, something. And so, yeah, I think I'll give a couple giveaways away with this as well. Woohoo! Spoiler alert. Okay, guys, that's it. I just wanted to let you know what we were doing, okay? I am super excited, and I hope you join me. And even if you guys don't, I hope you have a great day. Happy crafting. Make what you want. Make yourself happy. All right? Find the joy every day. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Let me see if I can turn this off without sticking my nose in the air. Uh-oh. Where is it? There it is.